Welcome to Auto Show. In this video, I will show you how to reset your Ridgid 18V battery and fix the red green light issue plus get it charging properly again.
Fix 1. Clean battery terminals. Step 1. Remove the battery from the charger. Step 2. Use a dry cloth or cotton swab to clean the metal contacts on both the battery and charger. Step 3. Reinsert the battery and check if the charger light turns solid red, charging. Fix 2. Power reset the battery. Step 1. Remove the battery from the charger and power tool. Step 2. Press and hold the battery's power charge indicator button, if available, for about 10 seconds. Step 3. Leave the battery disconnected for 5–10 minutes. Step 4. Plug it back into the charger and check the lights. Fix 4. Reset charger power. Step 1. Unplug the Ridgid charger from the wall outlet. Step 2. Wait 30 seconds. Step 3. Plug it back in and insert the battery again. Step 4. Check if the red light turns steady, meaning charging resumed.